Hello guys, this is how to join a Discord server. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up our Discord app. And once we get onto that page, we're gonna click on the three strokes on the top left corner. And then we're gonna click on the green plus icon. So you have the option of creating your own server. So we're gonna click on join a server. And so in this portion, we're going to type in HTTPS, the colons, // discord.gg / and then you're going to input the name of the server that you're trying to join. For example, let's type in monkey. And we accept the invite, and we have now joined the monkey server. So it is that quick and it is that easy to join a Discord server. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.